Hello, this is Nana. For our web platform module, I did learning management system using courseware to create a course, and the title of my course is Exploring the Akan Ghanaian language tree. So that's tree 101. I've had some challenges trying to give users access to try out the course, so I had to do a screencast following the recommendations I saw in one of the discussion board threads. So here we go. So once you get access into the course, it follows a modular approach. So you come to modules, and I have grouped them. It starts off with an introduction, Akwaba, which is welcome, and there is a script you can read, and there's an audio attached.
Akwaba, and a warm welcome to you. I'd like to offer a brief introduction as you begin your journey in this course. This is Tree 101, Exploring the Akan Ghanaian language, and I am Nana Kwabena, your instructor. The very first word I said, Akwaba, means welcome in Tree. And this is a word you would often hear if you visit Ghana or happen to be a guest in any Ghanaian community. So just to offer a brief overview, Akan as a language has three dialects, Fanti and Tree, which comes with two subforms, Ashanti Tree and the Equiapim Tree.
So that was just to give an overview of the information that I have here in the welcome screen. So that audio helps to bring out the message in another form. Apart from reading the text, helps you if you just want to listen to it, then you can just hear it. The module 1 is the warm-up module. Here we get into the language by learning some greetings and some introductions, just learning how to ask the question, what is your name, and respond to it. My name is Nana, and doing that in the Ghanaian language. So if you click on the information here is a brief overview of what to expect in the module, and if you click on the module, you would actually have access to the presentations and audios that go with them. So let's see one of the presentations. So this is the first lesson, greetings, and we're looking at simple greetings like how are you, wohonte saying, and the response I'm fine, mehoye, and other greetings, good morning, machi, good afternoon, maha. So the audio attached also runs you through this presentation as well. Let's get to the audio briefly. So that's module 1, lesson 1, greetings audio.
Akwaba, welcome again. This audio can be played alongside the lesson 1, Tree 101 PowerPoint. So we are looking at greetings. And greetings is a good way to get started because we know that when human beings meet, we would like to show courtesy, draw attention, or communicate by just starting to greet someone. And this would actually enhance a relationship, and it creates a very good self-image of like to find out from them how they are doing. In Tree, you would say, wohonte saying, wohonte saying, wohonte saying, medase, meda. Would you? And you want to say yes, you say aine. And if you want to say okay, you say yo. So you can play this over and over again. That's the beauty of podcast and audio recordings, and repeat the words after me.
So basically I like to follow that format where there is a module, there is a presentation, there is an attached audio if it is possible to have it, and then there is also a review section. So if you come back to the modules and you scroll down, you will see the section where I've titled it, Taking the Conversation with You, and here there is a challenge. You could actually just follow this link to a page where you can actually find out the name that you would be called if you were in the Ghanaian community. And we do this by finding out the day you were born. So you just check your calendar, find out the day you were born. You would then know your name, your Akan name, by the day you were born. And you can get back into the conversation by applying what you have learned in the module, learning to introduce yourself, and now using your Ghanaian name. So that's a fun activity that will be exciting to look at. And this resource also adds the voice element to it. So if you were born on a Sunday and you're a male, you will be Kwesi, and you have the audio attached also.
Kwesi.
So that helps. And if you were a lady and you were born on Wednesday, that will be Equia, and there are other variants as well which we have here. So this is what ideally would get the students or the learners engaged. Everybody finds their day of birth, and then we can try the introductions and using your names. Just an exciting experience. So the study teams gives you groups, and one of the groups is Yefreme, that is my name is, and you can just click on it and roll in it, and then you can engage with other students in this section where you can also add some module. As in the wiki, you come up and you pick a group wiki, and you can start to contribute to the wiki. So you type in what you want to say, you record something and you attach it, and another student can come in and edit and also make their contributions. So this is essentially a platform to engage students in group work. And when you come to resources, then every other resource material for the course has been placed here, including the slides, the voice recordings, just to make them accessible from one point. So in summary, this is the overview of the Exploring Akan Ghanaian Language Tree 101 from me, Nana. I hope you had fun, and I'll try to still resolve the issue so you can access it. The username would be tree101. The password would be tree101. I hope it works. Have fun.